Welcome to the Culinary Recipe Creations channel, you guys. Today, we're diving headfirst into the wild world of TikTok food trends. We're talking about those viral recipes that have taken the internet by storm, the ones you've seen plastered all over your feed. From bizarre concoctions to surprisingly delicious dishes, we're separating the culinary geniuses from the absolute disasters. Get ready to witness some of the craziest food creations known to man. If you're brave enough to try these TikTok recipes yourself, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the Culinary Recipe Creations channel for more culinary chaos. And don't forget to ring that bell so you don't miss out on a single delicious upload. Alright, you guys, let's talk Dalgona coffee. This frothy, whipped coffee sensation has taken the world by storm, and it's time we dive into what makes it so special. This whipped coffee concoction took the internet by storm, and for good reason. It's visually stunning, incredibly easy to make, and tastes like a dream. It's dead simple to make, even you lot can't mess it up. Seriously, if you can stir, you can make Dalgona coffee. First, grab your instant coffee, sugar, and hot water. These three humble ingredients are all you need to create this magical drink. Mix them together in a bowl, and then whisk the heck out of it until it transforms into a glorious, fluffy cloud of coffee goodness. It might take a bit of elbow grease, but trust me, it's worth it. Now, don't even think about using a fork for this, you hear me? A fork just won't cut it. You need the right tools for the job. You need a whisk or a hand mixer to get those stiff peaks. The texture is key here, and you want it to be as fluffy as a cloud. We're looking for a texture like a cloud, not a puddle of sadness. If it's runny, keep whisking until it holds its shape. Once you've whipped your coffee into submission, grab a glass of cold milk and spoon that fluffy goodness on top. The contrast between the creamy milk and the strong coffee is pure bliss. Take a sip, close your eyes, and tell me that's not the best damn coffee you've ever had. The rich, velvety texture combined with the smooth milk is a match made in heaven. But be warned, this stuff is seriously addictive. One sip, and you'll be hooked. You might find yourself whipping up a batch every morning and then another one in the afternoon, and maybe even a little midnight snack. It's that good. Don't say I didn't warn you. So, is Dalgona coffee genius or garbage? I'll let you be the judge, but I think we all know the answer. Next up, we're tackling the viral sensation that is pancake cereal. This quirky breakfast trend has taken social media by storm, and for good reason. It's a delightful twist on a classic favorite that combines the best of both worlds. The fluffy goodness of pancakes and the convenience of cereal. Yes, you heard me right, pancakes. In a bowl, like cereal. Imagine starting your day with a bowl full of tiny, fluffy pancakes, each one a bite-sized piece of heaven. It's a breakfast experience that's as fun to make as it is to eat. It sounds absolutely bonkers, but trust me on this one. Once you try it, you'll wonder why you haven't been eating pancakes this way your whole life. It's a game changer for breakfast lovers everywhere. First things first, grab your favorite pancake batter. Whether you prefer a homemade recipe or a store-bought mix, the choice is yours. The key is to make sure the batter is smooth and lump-free for the best results. Now, here's where things get interesting. Instead of pouring your batter onto a hot griddle like a civilized human being, we're going to get a little bit creative. This is where the magic happens. Fill a piping bag or a squeeze bottle with your pancake batter. This will give you the control you need to create those perfect, tiny pancakes. It's like being an artist in the kitchen, and your canvas is the griddle. Now, carefully pipe tiny dollops of batter onto your hot griddle. The key here is to make them as small and uniform as possible. Think of them as little pancake pearls, each one a miniature masterpiece. We're talking miniature pancakes here, people. The smaller, the better. These tiny treats cook quickly, so keep an eye on them to ensure they don't burn. Cook these mini marvels until they're golden brown and fluffy, just like regular pancakes. The goal is to achieve that perfect balance of a crispy exterior and a soft, fluffy interior. Once they're done, stack them high in a bowl, just like you would with your favorite cereal. The sight of a bowl full of tiny pancakes is sure to bring a smile to your face. Now for the fun part. Drizzle those bad boys with maple syrup, letting it cascade over the tiny pancakes like a sweet waterfall. The syrup adds that classic pancake flavor we all know and love. Sprinkle on some fresh berries for a burst of color and flavor. Blueberries, strawberries, or raspberries all work wonderfully. They add a fresh, fruity contrast to the sweet syrup. And if you're feeling really adventurous, add a dollop of whipped cream. It's the perfect finishing touch that takes this breakfast to the next level of indulgence. Dig in and tell me that's not the most fun you've ever had with breakfast. Each bite is a delightful mix of flavors and textures that will make your taste buds dance with joy. It's like a party in your mouth and everyone's invited. So go ahead, give pancake cereal a try and start your day with a breakfast that's as fun as it is delicious. Chapter 3. Cloud Bread. Heaven on a Plate? Alright, you lot, let's talk cloud bread. This isn't just any bread, it's a fluffy, colorful sensation that has taken social media by storm. This fluffy, colorful bread took the internet by storm, and for good reason. It's not just visually stunning, but also incredibly fun to make. It's light, it's airy, and it's surprisingly easy to make. Imagine biting into a cloud. That's the experience we're aiming for here. First, separate your egg whites from the yolks. This step is crucial because the egg whites are what give the bread its signature fluffiness. We only want those fluffy whites for this recipe. The yolks can be saved for another dish, maybe a rich custard or a creamy sauce. Now whip those whites until they form stiff peaks. This is where the magic happens, transforming liquid egg whites into a cloud-like texture. We're talking Mount Everest peaks here, people, no excuses. The stiffer the peaks, the fluffier your cloud bread will be. Gently fold in your sugar and cornstarch, being careful not to deflate those precious egg whites. This step requires a delicate touch. We want our cloud bread to be light and airy, not dense and chewy. The goal is to maintain that cloud-like texture throughout. Divide the batter and add a drop or two of food coloring to each portion. This is where you can let your creativity shine. Get creative with your colors. You can make your cloud bread as vibrant as you like. Think of it as painting with batter. Spoon dollops of the colorful batter onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Each dollop will expand, so give them some room. Make sure to leave some space between each cloud. They're going to expand in the oven. You don't want them sticking together. Bake those beauties until they're golden brown and cooked through. The aroma will be irresistible, but patience is key. Once they're done, let them cool completely before you even think about digging in. This helps them set and makes them easier to handle. Chapter 4. Baked Feta Pasta. Simplicity. Done right. Listen up, you donkey. This next recipe is so simple, even you can't mess it up. It's called baked feta pasta, and it's exactly what it sounds like. Feta cheese baked with pasta. Grab a baking dish and toss in a block of feta cheese, cherry tomatoes, garlic, olive oil, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Roast that in the oven until the tomatoes are blistered and the feta is melty and gooey. While that's baking, cook your pasta according to the package directions. Once the pasta is cooked, add it straight to the baking dish with the feta and tomatoes. Toss everything together until the pasta is coated in that creamy, cheesy sauce. And there you have it, a restaurant-quality dish that you can make in your own kitchen. Chapter 5. Nature's cereal healthy can be tasty. Alright, you guys, let's finish strong with a recipe that's both delicious and good for you. It's called Nature's Cereal, and it's taking the internet by storm. This refreshing bowl of goodness is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It's the perfect way to start your day or to enjoy as a healthy snack. Grab your favorite berries, chop them up, and toss them in a bowl. Add some pomegranate seeds for a bit of crunch and a splash of coconut water for sweetness and hydration. Give everything a good stir, and there you have it, Nature's Cereal. It's like a party in your mouth, and your taste buds are invited. Outro joined the food frenzy, so there you have it, you lot. 5 of the craziest, most delicious TikTok recipes that you absolutely need to try. From whipped coffee to pancake cereal, these viral sensations are sure to tantalize your taste buds and leave you wanting more. Let me know in the comments below which recipe you're most excited to try. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the Culinary Recipe Creations channel for more culinary adventures. See you soon. Until next time, get cooking. Yet.